Hello and good evening to all my dear students of class 8. I welcome you all once again in your moral science class, that is for class 8, and we are in our third chapter, that is read a lot. In this chapter you will be learning that how reading is very helpful for you all. Okay, reading not only improves your English but also improves your vocabulary. It helps to develop different kinds of aspect. Apart from your studies book, apart from your course book, if you go for with another books like different story books, different comic books, or different any kind of moral books, that will really helpful for you. Okay, and this chapter it talks about that how reading inculcates a different kind of knowledge, and it gives us different kind of you can say a better understanding about the subject. Okay, so let us start. Dr. Mahesh came to receive Rohan at the station. Rohan had come to visit his uncle Dr. Mahesh farmhouse. After they reached the farmhouse, his uncle had showed him round the farmhouse, the swimming pool and the small poultry farm. Rohan was very happy to be there. Okay, the story starts with a small boy named Rohan, and where he has gone to visit to his uncle's farmhouse. Okay, and what his uncles had in farmhouse, and when he reached his farmhouse he started showing him the farmhouse. Okay, the swimming pool, the poultry farm, and another thing. Okay, and Rohan was very happy. Got it? Rohan liked the place because of its beauty. Okay, and serenity. Serenity means the different scenario or the beautiful of that place. Okay, it was far away from noise and air pollution, but after a few days, Rohan started feeling dull. Okay, now after a few days, what happened? He started feeling dull. Means he's not happy. Okay, he tried to entertain himself by swimming and looking after the hens, but nothing helped. He looked sad. Dr. Mahesh asked, okay, what happened? Don't you feel happy here? Rohan replied, Uncle, I enjoy swimming here and I run around the garden, but after that I don't know what to do. I don't have any friends here. How do you spend your time, Uncle? Uncle said, I have many friends here. Rohan was surprised because he had not met a single man apart from his uncle in the farm. Come, I'll take you to meet my friends. They really entertain me very well. So what happened? That when Rohan visited his uncle's home, at that spot of time, he was very happy. Okay, he has liked the place and he was enjoying so much. But after a couple of days, what happened? He was starting feeling bored. Okay, and there was nothing to do. So he asked his uncle how he spent his time. So uncle, what he replied? He replied that there are some friends. Uncle was having some friends and they were really entertain him. Okay, and that make Rohan very surprised because he didn't find any of the person there or any of the man over there apart from his uncle. Okay, so what happened? See, uncle took Rohan to a big room. There was many bookshelves full of books. Rohan was thrilled to have seen so many books. This looks like our school library, said Rohan. Uncle said, this is my personal library. They are my best friends and I spent a lot of time with them. Rohan glanced at the racks full of books and asked, Uncle, have you read all of them? Uncle said, yes, but not a day. I started collecting and reading books when I was of young age, and then the number of books increased and it became a source of knowledge and wisdom. You should also cultivate the habit of reading books. Okay, so what uncle told him? Uncle gave him the medicine, okay, of his boring time. As Rohan was feeling very bored and he was not having any time or not having friends to spend, so uncle gave him a good medicine so that if he develop a habit of reading, he can spend his time. Okay, and not only that, he will cultivate different kinds of knowledge. Okay, see, uncle said. So, and what happened? And when Rohan asked that how many days he took to collect the books, he told that it took him so many years, okay, because when he was very young age, at that time only he started developing the habit of reading. So it has made the library, okay, small, slowly what happened, like one or two books he started collecting, and that has made a good library and for reading, okay, and that has helped him to develop the habit of reading. So he gave the same medicine to Rohan. He also told to develop the habit of reading, okay. Rohan said, "But uncle, we have to read so many subjects books too." Uncle said, "So what? You cannot choose your subject book, but here you can choose books of your liking. I have got story books written by R.K. Narayan, Tolstoy, Tagore, etc. A variety of general knowledge books, joke books, and many more." Rohan took a round and selected one particular story book and started reading it. From then, every day he used to go to Dr. Mahesh's library for reading books. Got it? So slowly what happened? Rohan also started getting interest in books. As uncle has gave him the idea of spending his time, so he also got a help. Okay, one kind of help, and he selected one story book. Okay, then he started reading it. Now see, when Rohan was going back to his house, uncle gave him a lot of books as gift. Rohan made book reading a regular habit. It increased his knowledge and thinking power. After a few months, he participated in a quiz competition. He stood first in the competition and got lots of prizes. Rohan was happy. All this was possible due to his habit of reading books. He sent a gift of books to Dr. Mahesh for inculcating the reading habit in him. Okay, so by the time when he has went from the farmhouse, what happened? He got a very good habit, that is reading the books. Okay, and that has not only helped him in his life, but also he started, when he participated in different kind of competition, especially quiz competition, what happened? It has helped him, okay, to win the prize. And in return, what happened? He has sent some books, okay, to uncle, so that to Dr. Mahesh, his uncle, so one kind of token of thanks, okay, from his side, because he has developed such a good habit in him. Got it? So this is about the story. Okay, now this question answer I'll be sending in the PDF. This one will be your homework. Okay, this will be your homework.